join Stellar Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Stellar Academy produced Goa State Topper for JEE Main 2024. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12.
We had written to the Smart City MD a couple of months back regarding the flood points, and whatever we had written that came true during the last floods. A lot of those chambers had not been maintained, and a lot of the cross drains had not been built by the contractors. So after that, now they've started working in earnest. So we are going out on regular inspections. They've tackled a majority of the points. Now there's only one road now from say Kundaka Nagar now to DB Road. So that we are puncturing and we're breaking. It's an old Portuguese drain. It's not been cleared for the past 15-20 years or something. So we are puncturing that and we are getting that done. Same with these Kundaka Nagar drains also. So we are trying to be as prepared as possible. See, if you look at it last year also now, the CCP did everything it could and there was no flooding only. I think on the first day for half an hour or something there was water logging, but after that there was no major issue at all. That is the first time it's happened around 20 years also now that we can say the city was flood free. So this we aim to do the same thing also. Whatever we're doing now, we're pushing the Smart City guys to get it done. They've also been cooperating. So where they haven't, we've been taking up the issue with the Chief Secretary also. So as of now, everything is okay.